much more taller than
doing this.
I'm like,
Sticky notes.
I'm just stretching. Or something.
Yeah, they're sleeping.
I don't want to be in the video. No,
Restart. Go, go, everywhere,
I don't
everywhere.
want to do this.
Just do it.
She's a party pooper.
No. Think of all the trees.
I know, right?
Oh, let's put them on the way.
Oh yeah, let's put them on.
No, yeah.
Quicker. People are looking at us like we're actual criminals.
What if someone like calls the cops on us or something?
Who cares if they call the cops?
Lottie was the one that said, what if they call the cops?
It's not like we don't know the person that owns the car, right?
Yes, we do. Me and Lottie don't really know Angel.
So, just tell her you do.
No.
You know,
Stop being party
I'm not
poopers.
gonna, what if put me under like a lie detector?
She's scared.
just like, she killed me.
It's so windy. They're like flying away. Oh my god. They're flying I don't think we should do the whole thing because then we can't clean it all up. Oh my god, they're flying away. Okay, this might be a prank failure. Keep going, children. Keep going. Maybe we should just cover up like the windows. Come on, guys. They're all flying away. They're all, look at, they're all on the ground. We are going to clean this up. Don't write a note, then they'll know it's us.
No, no.
No, don't write a note, then they'll know it's us.
Wait, what does it
The
say?
note is not a good idea.
No,
Come on, just stop. Come on, guys, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, why did it have to be so windy today? Oh my god, he's still over there. Come on, Dario, that's enough. It was so windy. We're like out of breath. We weren't able to cover the whole car because it's so freaking windy. But we've got plenty more for, you know, to prank somebody else.
Yeah, we do.
And you're not
Maybe our grandma should be next.
Oh yeah.
No.
Grandma.
She kills you?
You won't kill me.
You should do Vitorino.
Oh, yeah.
No, he's an old guy. Don't.
No,
I mean, we'll help them take it off.
a Maori.
What is wrong with you?
A Maori mommy.
On his motorcycle. On his motorcycle.
Prank wars has begun. Currently watching through the window, and all the sticky notes are freaking flying away. It is so windy outside.
We should have never done this today.
We chose a bad day. And we have no idea when they're leaving. So we don't even know. Hopefully soon before all the sticky notes fly away.
Footsteps.
All the stickies have literally blown away. I mean, it's been like a few hours, but they won't come downstairs. I don't know what they're doing down. Like it's 1 p.m. How are they still sleeping? I don't even know. My brother's outside, slaving the kids away. It's kind of hard to see through this window. He got his 3 slaves downstairs. He asked my nephew if it was me, and my nephew stood up for me and said no. He said he does not know who put the stickies in that car. That's true blood right there. Go. Recording? Is it recording? Record the reaction.
You just got pranked. That's what you get for not giving me standing. Come over here and help us.
Prank. What? Wait, what is he doing?
We should do it on ourselves now.
Bye. See, it didn't even take a second to come out. Pick up the ones on the floor, guys. Pick up the ones on the floor. Get your ass over here. No, don't keep throwing them. It's freezing. They're gonna get us back. I know they're gonna get us back.
They're gonna get us back. I think they're gonna scare
mad.
us. They're gonna scare us.
He's so mad. That was a success. They were so mad. He was like, "Well, I'm gonna late to work. We're gonna be late to work. Why would you guys do this?"
the big guy.
But I know that they're gonna get us back so bad.
But he said we're gonna get you way worse.
Oh my god, I'm scared now. I know. Prank wars has begun. I'm like scared to park my car here now. Oh my god, but we waited all day. All day. We did this like at what time?
Like
super early in the
like
morning.
8 or something.
And they just came down. It's like what, 4:30?
Yeah.
We waited all day. We kept looking through the window. We're like, what time are they gonna go down? And they were like on their way to work, and yeah, we got them. Got him!
That's
was
what
good,
they
guys.
get for not giving us candy.
I know, right?